Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. I am Chartered Accountant. I'm C. Abhishek Bansal. I am from Mumbai, India, and I'm gonna take ACCA skill level paper number F8. That is your auditing and assurance. So it's been 15 years for me to be a chartered accountant. I'm also a company secretary. I've also done my MBA, and yeah, I'm a BCom graduate from HR College of Commerce and Economics, Mumbai. So guys, I'll be taking lot of revision sessions on your paper number F8 if you are appearing for skill level, that is auditing and assurance. So welcome to the session guys. So firstly, I would want you guys to subscribe to the channel so that you get regular updates what content I'm going to put with regards to paper number F8 applied skills, that is auditing and assurance. Also do like this video, comment and share your queries with all your friends. Share this video with all your friends so that maximum people get the benefit in the entire world. Okay, and if you have a specific query with regard to F8, the studies, the study pattern, the strategy, you can comment. I will definitely be replying you out. Okay, we have our website www.letslearnindia.in wherein you can buy the actual course of the subject, wherein it's a recorded content where I have taught all the concept in detail along with the past questions, and we have solved those questions in the video itself. So regularly I'll be taking live sessions on YouTube also, some sessions on Zoom also, some on Google Meet also, so that maximum students take benefit. In this session, we're going to talk about what is basically F8 AA paper. It's auditing and assurance. What should be the mindset? What should be the strategy? How we should prepare? See, if you see the authors, okay. So we are going with Kaplan ka book, okay. And if you see the number of pages, it's 700 pages. And on the exam day, when you're appearing for the exams, 700 pages can't be revised in one single day, correct? So what should be the focus areas? What is the pattern? How much content we should remember? What is the exam pattern? In this video, I'm going to talk all those things, okay? Also, I have added a Telegram ka link specifically for our AA paper. So if you're a student who's appearing for AA paper, you can join the Telegram link and we can have a build community so that everybody has access to everybody, and if you have any query, you can post your query there. I'll be there to assist you. Okay, so do join the Telegram channel and do like this video and subscribe to our channel without fail. Let's talk about audit and assurance. So audit and assurance is a very interesting, very logical subject. It's a very logical subject wherein we have to think like as an auditor. As an auditor, what will you do? So you have to keep yourself in the situation and think like an auditor. How to think, what to think, how to type the answer, because it's a computer based examination. You have to you have to type the answers. So there the thought process should be little different as compared to your normal written paper. Okay. So it's a 100 marks paper. The passing is 50%. Time allowed is 3 hours 15 minutes. 15 minutes is given for the reading part, and when you the answer starts, you can type the answers in 3 hours. Okay, the exam is divided into guys 2 sections. The exam is divided into 2 sections. All the questions are compulsory, wherein section A talks about objective test case. Okay. So there would be 3 objective test case, 10 marks, 10 marks, 10 marks, each comprising of 5 questions of 2 marks per case. So 5 questions into 2 will give you 10 marks. That 10 marks is one case study, other one is another case study, other one is other case study. That comprises total 30 marks. Now, the next one is 3 constructed response question, which is basically a descriptive answer. There will be 2 big case studies of 20 marks, which comprises of your 40 marks. Total ultimate is 70 marks. And there would be one question which will be of 30 marks. Okay, it will also be a case study. It will comprise of 30 marks. So in totality, we have 100 marks ka paper. Now, the time allowed would be 3 hours. Time allowed is 3 hours. The passing percentage, guys, the passing percentage is 50%. So out of 100 marks, you have to get 50%. So if you see, our focus area would be descriptive also and would be MCQ also. My chance is, my logic is that I need to get like 30 on 30 in my MCQ. So when I get objective may 30 on 30, let's see, when I aim for 30 on 30, my passing chance gets increased. So if I aim for 30 marks, at least around 24, 26, 22 I can get. Balance I need to get from descriptive. It is a CBE, that's basically computer based examination. Any part of the syllabus can be tested in any section. So full syllabus we need to do, okay. Now, so objective test is basically a small test scenario wherein you have to choose the correct answer from the option given below, okay. So OT is called as objective test questions, objective test case, okay. Now, each OT is worth 2 marks, therefore you have around 18 minutes, that is 1.8 minutes per mark to answer 5 OT questions related to each case. That's they have calculated. Obviously, you can give more time also, but again, eventually then for the descriptive part, you will have less time. So when you read, you have to read with accuracy, with speed also, and your thinking, your mindset should start focusing more on the content. Oh, I have studied this, I have studied that, okay. So as soon as you start reading the question, we'll be doing a lot of exercise on this. When you read the question, what should be your speed? Okay, when you're reading, you should understand, okay, immediately the answer should come into your head so that you can easily mark the answer, okay. It says, OT questions are specifically designed by the examiner to include plausible distractor, answer which result from carelessness mistakes. So obviously there would be one exact answer and one close answer. So they will try to frame a question that, okay, as a student you will do that close wala answer only. So you have to be very much careful when you read the answer. Then, so they have given one pro tip. If you do not know the answer, eliminate those options. Like you do follow elimination technique. When we do exercise in the revision session, in the actual session, I'll teach you how to eliminate the wrong option. So maybe you are left with just 2. Then you do inky, pinky, ponky, father as a donkey, inky out, ponky out. You can select that way or use your logic. All you have to do is eliminate the option that you know to be wrong. If you are still unsure, take a wild guess. Now when you talk about descriptive question, guys, the constructed response will require a written response rather than being OT. You have to type the answer. It requires knowledge of standards may be required in these sections. Now, for each question, read the requirements and detail of the question carefully. There is a description, story would be there, understand the story, then the question would be there, understand the question, then you frame the answer. Take the notice of the format. Here they have clearly written, always read the requirement first, as it enables you to focus on the detail of the question with the specific task in mind. So when you read the story, below the story, they will give the requirement. So they are telling us, you read the requirement. So when you read the story, you can focus on the pointers. See, because 3/4 of the question is full story. They will take you around the bush. Here, okay, Mr. X is an auditor. Yeah, he thinks like that. He here, that, do this. Main content is bottom may. In the last 1/4, you know the question. If you have read the question, then read the story. Then take the notice of the format, that is whether it's a kind of a letter format, memo format, notes format. Identify who's the recipient of the answer, for whom you are preparing the answer, stakeholder, director, regulator, for whom you are preparing. Now, so the language should be that way. There are times when you are instructed to use table to present your answer. This is a case when you are asked to link the answers together. Pre-formatted tables will be usually be set in the workspace for you to use. So if there's a question where they have asked, okay, make a table or make in a tabular form, the table would be already there. You just have to fill the table. Then highlight the questions for review if you're not sure and want to check your answer before submission, before you end your exam. Before submission, if you want to come back, review the answers, you can just mark it out. So before submission, before putting clicking on end, you come back and you review our answers, okay? So it's very easy. I mean, the pattern is very easy. It's 30 marks is objective based, 70 marks is descriptive based, 100 marks a paper, 50 marks is your passing, combining both, okay? There are certain chapters which I'll be telling you, which is very important. One is audit risk chapter. Maximum time questions are from this only, okay? Audit risk chapter, control deficiencies and recommendation, okay? Definitely it will be there, definitely. Audit risk chapter, control deficiency and recommendation, and test of controls and audit evidence chapter. These are the more focus areas. They are again and again telling, do not skip the any part of the syllabus. We have to study. Okay, we have to study, but they will cover all the chapters also, all the sections also. But focus areas are this: audit evidence, direct controls and test of controls. Okay, audit risk control, efficiency and recommendation. This they will definitely test you for sure. So if I have just analyzed like all the past attempts ka paper, I was just seeing like last 10 attempts ka papers, maximum time question from audit risk test of control, maximum time. Okay, so we'll be doing those past questions in the session also. For the upcoming exam, I'll be putting a marathon wherein we'll be revising the content, and for the next to next attempt, we'll be having a proper batch. It's a pre-recorded batch where you can watch. It will be in 100% English. Okay, to order you can visit let'slearnindia.in. Go to the professional course. You'll see ACCA में AA, paper number F8. Buy it up. Okay, immediate access it is along with the soft copy of the notes. So they are again advising us, spend the last 5 minutes reading through your answers, make any additions or corrections. Okay, that's as a student, you know it, you have to do it. It's a computer based exam. It's very easy paper, very scoring paper. I want you guys to get about 70 marks in audit paper. So here AA में generally we get around 80 marks. Okay. One second. Sorry. So in the next session, what I'll be uploading, so we'll be doing first objective type question and then the descriptive questions. Where in objective, we're gonna cover. So audit framework, where there are 50 questions. Then there are around 22 questions here. Then there are 32 questions on internal control. Then here it is basically around 41 questions, and then here around 59 questions on review and reporting. So total there are 200 questions co objective we're gonna cover. 200 questions in I think 1 or 2 sessions we're gonna cover, and then from 201 say till we have I think covering all the chapter till 260 tak, total 60 descriptive long questions. Okay, so 200 objective and 60 descriptive questions in all on this channel, which is our channel. So do subscribe to the channel for all those updates. Okay, in the next session I will be uploading the revision videos for the upcoming exam so that you can watch. First we'll be uploading all the MCQ based, I mean objective based question, then it will be descriptive based question, how to think, what to approach, what to think. Okay, that I'll be putting it out. Okay, so guys, do follow me, do join the Telegram channel, post your queries wherever you're from the entire world. I'll be there from Mumbai, India, helping you out to clear your F8, that's AA paper, and I hope you become an ACCA associate very soon. Cool. Signing off, guys. Do share this video and comment whatever doubt is there. All the best, take care, enjoy, and aim for a rank or 70 plus, whichever is earlier. Bye guys, take care.